Good morning, students. This is a part 3 of our biology video. That is a first PUC bridge course. So, students, in the last classes, we have started studying about the what is a cell, who coined the term cell, and simultaneously we started studying about the microscope. Since we need to study the microscope, because we can some of the living organisms we cannot see through our naked eyes, henceforth we have to use a microscope as an instrument to observe those of microorganism. Micro means the word itself only having the meaning that is nothing but the small. Here the microscope scope we are going to focus with the magnifying lens. Okay, so we started studying about the microscope also. Let us go through today in this video how the working of microscope is going to take place. This is very important that we need to practice the parts, and we need to know how to operate the microscope also. So let me explain. So that is the object of an glass slide is kept on a stage bearing a central hole under a objective lens. So students, first listen the words, then I will show in the diagram that what it each part of the microscope I will be going to explain. So the object means which we need to be observed. That is the meaning of the object here. Okay. So what we have to be observed. So this is the object means is nothing but we can say the specimen also. Okay. Or we can say the sample also. Fine. So that is the object on the glass slide is kept on a stage bearing a central hole under a objective lens. Students, this actually microscope will be like this. So this is the rough diagram. I have drawn the big diagram also. I'll explain the parts also. Okay. This is the objective. This is called as a eyepiece, students. So there will be a condenser. So to this condenser there will be a objective lens. Okay, this is the rough diagram, students. I'll explain with the complete neat diagram. Okay. This is the stage, student. Okay. Let it be like this. This is a rough time. This is the eye lens. Okay, this is the objective lens. Fine. Okay, so let us go through. That is a light. That is a glass slide. This is the glass slide is kept on the stage. So this is the stage, student, where the place we can keep specimen or the sample on this glass slide. Okay, so kept on the stage bearing a central hole, so under a objective lens. Here this is the lens, students. So they are saying that there will be a hole at the center. Through this the focus will be falling on to this stage where we have placed the glass slide. Okay, so that is under an objective lens. The light is reflected through the specimen with the help of a mirror and a condenser from the below the stage. So this is the stage. So below this there will be a mirror, students. Okay. So the light will be going to fall on this and it is reflected onto this stage. The specimen what we have or the sample what we have taken. So that is the meaning. Light is reflected through the specimen with the help of mirror and the condenser from the below the stage. So there will be a one knob like structure. Okay. This is called the condenser. Okay. So what it does? The condenser, we can magnify the light also, light intensity also. how much we want. If the light is more also, the specimen we cannot observe. If light is less also, we are not able to see the specimens which is placed on the stage, students. Okay, that's why so the condenser is going to help. So through an eyepiece top of the microscope, one can see the magnified that is a image of the object. This is the objective lens, but we need to observe, no? For that there will be a eyepiece, that is a eye lens will be present. Then focusing is done by adjusters, fine and coarse and the fine adjustment. See students, this is the big knob what I have drawn. This is the coarse adjustment. Okay, then the small knob what I have drawn, that is a fine adjustment. Okay, so this is the coarse adjustment, this is the fine adjustment. So focusing, we need to focus, or scope we have to focus it. So adjusters should be there. So just like a tuning, if you are going to tune for the FM radio, you'll start minute tuning, is it not? For the clear voice audible, is it not? Just like that only it is also been done, fitted in the microscope. These are the coarse adjustment and the fine adjustment. Eyepiece lens of magnifying 5x, 10x, 15x and objective lenses of a high, that is a 40x, 100x and a lower 10x powers are available. So listen students, there is a there will be two lenses. One is the eye lens, another one is the objective lens. Eye lens is our through the eyes what we are magnifying our retina. Okay, on the retina, the lens what it is present, we are magnifying by through the objective lens. Here the lens will be present. So the lens which is going to be inserted into this, that is a IP body, that is a 5x. What is the power means 5x, that is a 10x, 15x and the objective lens of a high power and objective lens, these are the powers. So there will be a 40x, even the 45x, 100x and lower will be the 10x for the objective lens. So IP powers, what are those? That is a 5x, 10x, 15x. Objective lens power, what are those? Those are nothing but a 40x, 100x and a 10x. Okay, student, this is what I am explaining in the bridge course. That means I wanted to introduce regarding to the microscope, because since we need to study biology and in the first year syllabus, the first practical experiment is nothing but the microscope itself only. So now what you are studying in the bridge course, there also we can applicable. Student, let me explain in the next video complete diagram with the help of neat label diagram. Let me explain each one of the part of the microscope. Thank you students.